Spin Clean Dry Power Makeup Brush Cleaner and Dryer from Relaxus Beauty. Oh no. Fun little gadget. I have a big makeup look planned and I need all of my brushes cleaned. Just gonna stick that in there. Gone are the stained fingers and yucky sinks. Hi, I'm Pat, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to be testing out the Spin Clean Dry Power Makeup Brush Cleaner and Dryer by Relaxus Beauty. This set includes 8 silicone collars, a collar stand, a brush handle, a bowl, and it says it will clean and dry your makeup brushes in seconds. So keep on watching, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Okay, so this says, cleaning makeup brushes regularly increases the brush's life and removes harmful bacteria-building dirt. The revolutionary spin technology will expertly clean and dry brushes in 30 seconds. Brushes are ready to use immediately once completing the cleaning and drying process. Gone are the stained fingers and yucky sinks. Comes with 8 silicone collars to fit most standard style natural and synthetic makeup brushes. Not suitable for double-ended or flat brushes. Alright, and that is what the packaging looks like. And it says it's gonna clean the brushes in seconds. And there's a before and after on this side. And that's from Relaxus Beauty. Right, so let's open that up and test it out. Oh, P.S. Batteries sold separately. If you saw my video on washing your makeup brushes and makeup sponges in the washing machine, you'll know that that did not work. Do not try it. So I am excited to test out this little machine and see if that's going to be an easier, faster way for me to clean my brushes. Alright, so let's open it up and check it out. Alright, so we've got some instructions. Inside we've got the little bowl. This is a little brush stand. And we've got this piece, looks like the wand. Something in there. And some more instructions. Okay, so let's see what's in this box. Oh, this is the little brush holder ends, okay? There's all different sizes, so you can fit all your brushes in. This looks like just a little stand for everything once it's done. Ooh, and this has like some rose gold on it. Very aesthetic. Oh, look, stands right in there. Okay, so I know what that's for now. I'm gonna unwrap the little bowl. And that is plastic, so no worries about breaking that. Okay, so this little stand part looks like it holds all these little rubber pieces. Okay, so there's all of the little holders and the, I don't know, spinner part. I'm just going to check out the instructions next and see what this says. Comes in both French and English. It says remove the battery cover and place the batteries inside. Okay. Okay, batteries are in. That was instructions 1, 2, and 3. Insert the brush handle into the best fitting silicone holder. The fit should be snug, but not forced. Okay, so I've got actually a whole bunch of dirty brushes here. So we'll just grab a couple of them and see if we can find one that fits nicely in here. Feels like it's in there, snug but not too snug. Yeah. Okay, so we've got this. Insert the other end of the silicone into the spindle found on the top of the brush cleaning device. That would be this spindle. It's got a little hexagon shape, and this has a little hexagon shape, so I guess they'll fit together nicely. Insert the other end of the silicone holder into the spindle. Add a small amount of liquid soap into the bowl. Using the brush as a gauge, pour water in until the basin reaches half height of the brush's bristles. Okay, no problem. The bowl, and I've got some soapy water, and it says just enough for half of the bristles, so that's not very much water. Be sure the brush is straightly aligned with the unit. So I guess it goes in like this. Place the brush in the bowl and carefully move the brush up and down in the liquid. Press the brush against the bowl to help open the bristles. Turn the device on and continue to move the brush up and down for 10 seconds. Okay. Whoa. Okay. After 10 seconds, lift above the liquid to allow spinning to dry. Okay, so I just grabbed a piece of paper towel to see how dry the brush is, and when I do this, it's totally dry, and it's pretty clean too. I'm pretty impressed. This really did work. So let's try another one. Let's try this one. It's like really covered in makeup. It's purple and red. Just gonna stick that in there. That. So it's got a good grip on it. And then the octagon or the hexagon back onto the little handle part. Okay. And then I've got the bowl with a little bit of water, and so it says to dip it up and down for about 10 seconds, and then turn it on. And then lift it up, and it spins it around. Okay, and there is the brush. It is supposed to be white and red, so it looks pretty clean. So let's just take the paper towel and see if it's got a lot of moisture left in there or not. No, it's got none. No moisture coming out of there, although there is a little bit of purple eyeshadow coming out. So maybe I can just wash it again. Yeah, it looks really clean now. And I just used a little bit of Dawn dish soap. I'm gonna just squeeze this and see. Yeah, there's no moisture coming out of there. I'm really impressed. Okay, so that's cool. So that one's totally dry, ready to go. Great success. Let's do another one. Okay, so here's another one that is fairly dirty. It's supposed to be white and red, and you can see it's got concealer on it. And it's got a pretty small handle, so I'm gonna use the same one. Oh, wow, okay, so we can definitely get stuck in here, I guess. There we go. Okay, that one's got a bit of a smaller handle, so it slipped right on. Put it back on the little attachment. Dumped out the dirty water, and this little lid part just comes right off, so that's nice and handy. So I've just got some soapy water here. Gonna add that into there. And we'll do this other brush. So, whoops. It says dip it up and down a couple of times. Okay, so that one is not as clean, I can tell. Yeah, that's much cleaner. And grab some paper towel and we'll check to see how much moisture is left in there. None. It's totally dry. So I've got another flat tip brush and it's supposed to be white and red and it's more purple at the moment. So I'm gonna just try washing that with this Spin Clean Dry Power Makeup Brush Cleaner. Okay, and there you can see now it is white to red. That's the actual color of the bristles. Okay, so now you can see I've done these 3 brushes and they're all clean. And then I dropped them all on the floor. Okay, so let's try a bigger brush. And then turn it on. Nope. Oh no. Okay. So you need to make sure you don't lift it out of the container while it's spinning because it makes a huge mess. Obviously, there's water now everywhere. And it's gross makeup water. Okay, great. Really well done. So that handle was the wrong size for this and it fell out. I need to empty this and refill it with clean water. So now I've made a big mess. Okay, so I emptied out the water and I was thinking in the instructions it says only put a little bit of water in, and that's probably why, because once the soap got to the top there was nowhere for it to dry, so it just spun the soap everywhere. So now I have just a little bit of water and we'll try this again. So we'll just dip it in, turn it on. Now this is a bigger brush too. Alright, so that is nice and clean. It was really quite dirty before, so this is definitely working. I'm very happy with how quickly this works. It does take a little bit of practice to get the hang of it and figure out which brush handles fit in the little holders. Most of my brushes are the same size. Let's try this one. It's sort of like a flatter brush. See, nice and clean. That was quick. Fun little gadget. I have a big makeup look planned and I need all of my brushes cleaned, so I gotta get this done. And it's nice and clean, bright red at the end. But the bristles are pretty dry. I am really impressed with this thing. That's such a fun little gadget. Great, well, this is definitely such a fun little tool. It's called the Spin Clean Dry Power Makeup Brush Cleaner and Dryer from Relaxus Beauty. And the one I have is black and it's got some rose gold details on it. And it's got the little holder and everything for it, which is really handy. It did a great job cleaning all of these brushes. I'm going to continue to clean a few more. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Hit the like button and leave me a comment down below and let me know if you've ever tried a makeup brush spin cleaner before. I'll leave a link down below where you can pick up your very own from Relaxus Beauty. Thanks for watching and I'll see you for another video next time. Bye! Oh, if you haven't seen the video already, make sure you go check out the video where I wash my makeup brushes and beauty blenders in the washing machine. I'll leave a link down below for that and a card after this video. Gone are the stained fingers and yucky sinks.